What's going on, everybody? Tim here with Speedy's Woodshop. Shh, shh, don't tell the wife. I'm actually filming this in the kitchen. Um, Now, for those of us who have wood shops, and a lot of times you're trying to save a dollar or two. If you don't have to buy the $1 million tool, don't buy the $1 million tool. But one of the things that Harbor Freight has that I'm such a fan of, I just went out and got another one. The other one I had for quite some time, and I just wanted, when I hear they change the motors, different things, but the 12-inch disc sander at Harbor Freight, I got it July 4th. I think retails about 170. It was a 25% off coupon. Blah blah blah. You could do the math. I'm a woodworker. I suck at math. What do you want me to tell you? Um, but I got it, and I'm gonna tell you, this is a robust thing. This is not rinky-dink plastic. What this thing is heavy. But I'm gonna flip the camera around so you can guys take a look. Sit tight. So folks, here is the back end of this 12-inch disc sander from Harbor Freight. There it is, 12-inch, 1791 RPM, horsepower and a quarter. This thing is not some plasticky, gimmicky type piece of equipment. This is actually very, very heavy, and I mean very heavy. Now I got hurt and film this, get this video done and get out of the kitchen before my wife gets home. Ha ha. But yeah, this is not a bad piece. I mean, it's a sander, for goodness sake. What are you gonna do with it? It's just, we're not doing precision work so much. The only thing that I would say that I'm gonna change is the slide here. I'm gonna take this, I think it's aluminum or pot metal. I'm gonna take it off and get a piece of machined steel and put in here. Maybe try to true this up a little bit on the mill, on the metal mill. See what we can do. But folks, look, if you're looking to save a dollar or two, you want to get a nice 12-inch disc sander and you don't want to drop $400 on one, go to Harbor Freight and get this thing. You can get the 20% off coupons. You see them all over the place. We get them, those of us who are woodworkers or in the maker community, you see them all over. But get one. I'm gonna tell you, I had one before, moved some stuff around. Now I got another one. This one is, and this one's so much better than the last one that I had. Much more weight to it. I'm really impressed with the build quality, to be quite honest. Check it out. Catch you guys later. You can check Speedy's Woodshop out on all social media spots. Catch you guys later. Bye.